Good morning, everybody. It's a CPI day. Tomorrow is FOMC, and we get PPI before FOMC, and then we have OPEX day on Friday. So let's see what's going on. All right, we start with the ES as usual. Um, okay, so ES pre-market right now it jumped a little bit. It did already a big jump yesterday, squeeze up. So it came at 4 and market jumped like 10 points. Yes, techs are more stronger right now. So pre-market right now, 5 is up, 15 is up. If again, same like yesterday, if you remember, I told you if you get a 30-minute MACD golden cross, we're gonna go higher. And look what happened. Around 2 o'clock, 30 minutes MACD golden cross, and boom, we went from 66 to almost 90, so 30 points. It's 30 minutes MACD when golden cross. That's one of the best indicator between 30 and 15. 15 is good, it's very good. It gives you the initial what do you call it? Initial uprise. You can see here the 15 minutes give you a golden cross at 11:45, and then the big one came at 2 o'clock. So that's just showing you the difference. Anyhow, right now 15 is up. We need 30 minutes to make the golden cross to squeeze up again. And the 1 hour, same thing. 4 hour daily, weekly are very bullish. It's what's interesting is some names that last few months, not last few months, last year, their quarterly MACD was dead cross. They either diverted up or some even about to golden cross. So that's something interesting that's happening. Once the MACD on the quarterly chart goes up, man, it can go crazy. Just go check it on your favorite name. You will see. NQ pre-market right now, 5 is up, 15 again, same like ES, 30 minutes is coming up. If that golden crosses, we can run up higher. And let's see, Dow Jones, same thing. All of them are almost same, looking same. Yeah, everything else, everything looks the same. TNX is coming down. That's good. FOMC tomorrow. So that if China cut rate. So if they nobody expect tomorrow rate cut. All they want is just no increase. But if they cut rate tomorrow, which is doubtful, that would be crazy for market. But if they just say no rate increase this month, maybe we'll see for next month, then market can rip up crazy, especially small caps and growth names. DXY is coming down of the CPI. 4 hour MACD is dead crossing. That's good. Wix 2% lower. Yesterday was interesting. It came to 14.47 and it pulled back up. So that's the key level you want to watch, 14.47, or better say this one, 14.38. That was the low of yesterday. Breaks that one, because right now week's direction is down. 5, 15, 30 is downward, and 1 hour is dead crossing. 4 hours still bullish. So there is a pressure still up. Once this one breaks the low of yesterday, market can rip up intraday again. So let's see what else we got. SPX. Let me change this to 1 day. So okay. So SPX next key level is right now 42.62. Right now we are up. Let me see how many points we are up. We are up 16 points on the ES. So SPX 38 plus 16. We're getting close to that 60, 62. So once we pass that 62, next level to watch is 43.92 and 44.22. There is a possibility that maybe before FOMC we hit 44.22 on the SPX. All right, now BTC. Just yo-yo there, up and then down. Apple pre-market, it's a little bit weaker than other techs. That's actually really interesting. It came down, so they have some news that the iPhone sales is softening, so that's why it probably is a little bit weak. Pre-market right now, we need 5 and 15 is upward, but we need to get a 30 minutes breakout to and break the high of pre-market, which is 184.35 for run up higher. Breaks that one, next target are 183.97, 185.21, and 186.45 next. Very bullish, and 4 hour daily and weekly it does have chance for run up. Amazon reached the 128.72 level. Above that, it's already hit a new high for this year. 127.4 is the high of this season. So it's opening above it for so far. Breaks 128.72, 128.8. Next levels are 129.6, 131, and 132. What's interesting yesterday was just a slow motion crawling up. So this one, the way market works is just something as small as slowly comes up and then it's accelerate, then an acceleration turns into a squeeze goes crazy, then pulls back or consolidate or continues more. And then right now it's going from slow motion to acceleration. So um, if it breaks 128.72, we're looking at getting to 132, and above that, the next major level is 136.19. Nvidia gapped up. This is just crazy. Nvidia for last, I don't know how many days, 5 days, every day is gapping up 5 points. And if you just look at the chart, and yesterday was interesting, even though it came back to 386, it had a crazy, it joined the market, run up crazy, it closed at 394, and then just pay attention, 30 minutes, got a golden cross, 15 minutes, start curving up, and that was all signal for run up. And anyhow, right now pre-market, 15 is up, 30 is up, so this one is opening bullish. And 401.96, so if it does break 401.96, next level is 405.5. Above that we can run up to 406, 408, and 410.66. By the logic of every day going 5 points, end of the week we should reach the high of this season, which is 419.38. So there is a possibility, because the 4 hour is very bullish, and as I keep saying, the 4 hours golden cross. Every time it's a bumpy road going up, it's still possible. Same like last few days, it gets sold at open and goes down, and then maybe something happening intraday, it jumps up again. So that's a scenario for Nvidia right now. We don't have a so far last few days we did not have a solid run day, like it opens up and continues going higher. For last few days, just keep in mind, Nvidia, it opens, it gets a strong opens, and then boom, it goes down and then goes up again. So 4 hour in general is still very very bullish, and if 5 minutes MACD dead cross at open, that is gonna go down again, same like the other days. But yeah, we'll see how it reacts at open. It's all about the opening actions. Baba finally above 87. Pre-market 4 hours golden cross. This one is really bullish right now. They cut the rate in China, so this one is getting hot right now. Breaks 88.73. Next level is 89.65, 90.56. Breaks, if it gets a crazy jump today and breaks 90.56, 93.53 can come. Bidu, same thing, big jump up there too. It's looking very bullish on the 31 hour and 4 hour. Weekly MACD is curving up. If we get a golden cross, it's just gonna be a fly up there. 141 breaks, so we're looking at the 144.33 next. Above that, if it gets crazy this week, 146, 149, and 152.12 there. Netflix, 7 points higher. This one is breaking out right now. So 432, next level is 437, and 446 pre-market looking very bullish. Meta 275 breaks, we're looking at 276, 279, and 282. Pre-market looking very bullish. 30 minutes is MACD's golden crossing. And Tesla, another high there. We're looking at 254. If it does break that one, 256.54 should come. 4 hour is flat. 30 minutes and 15 is golden cross, so it needs to break 254 to go to 256 major level. Above 256 major level, we're looking at 260, 266, 270, 293. Microsoft, 3 points higher. 335 and 336 next level to watch. Break those, we can go to 338 and 341 and 344. All time high is 348 or 345, I'm not sure exactly. Google, it doesn't look so strong like others. If you 30 minutes MACD golden cross, then we look and passes 125.55, we can go to 127.16. AMD 3.4 points higher, looking very strong. This is a name that the quarterly is getting very strong right now. So next level is 134, 137 there, 135.8, 137.58. Boeing. Boeing needs to break 223 pre-market 15 and 30 doesn't look too strong. 1 hour is already dead cross. If it does get a jump today and passes the high of yesterday, which was 223.91, next levels are 226 230. What else? You got SPY 330 436.45 is reaching. Above that, we're looking at, can go to 442 next. That's the next major level. And QQQ, um, next major level is 365, 367, 54. And if FOMC is good, we can go to 370, 375. This is getting a crazy bull market. IWM, if FOMC is not as strong as other indexes so far, but if if FOMC doesn't increase rate and signals for rate cut or something, then we can go to 189 and 193. What else we got here? SoFi getting close to the 909 level. 991 breaks that one. We can next level is 1342 there. Roku looking hot there, breaks 73.34, and the high of this week is 74.90. Last week is 74.91, breaks that one. 75.26 and 77.18 comes. AVGO is on the run. So the high was 864, pre-market 515 and 30 is looks a little bit weak. So but if it does jump at open and breaks 864, next target is 873 and 891. Adobe, everything is just running. Has earning this week, I believe is on 615, so it should be Thursday. This one is getting to 506 right now. 506, and if it gets crazy, I mean, it has a crazy earning. You never know. Maybe 534 or 574 comes. What else? Airbnb was hot yesterday, so 126.94 is the key. Passes that one, 127, 129, 130. Shop 66.41. Next target is 68.41, and above break that one, we can run up to the higher level. I will get it for you guys. ORCL had the earning, nice jump up, helps the techs. What else you got? CRM. Disaster, was a disaster yesterday. They had the earning, they had the AI day, and it just fell, got sold. So forget about this one. MDB, because of ORCL, maybe does have a chance to jump up. Pre-market, everything looking bullish. 5:15:30, 1 hour, everything looking bullish. So breaks 388 and 393 is next. Maybe 400 comes finally. What else we got here? Caterpillar 240. Above that is 242, 249, and 256. Looking bullish pre-market, very bullish pre-market. Let me see. What else I have? LRCX, that one. Keep an eye on that one too. If semis goes, this one can go crazy. Snow. 175, 54 passes, 177, 179. 4 hour MACD's golden crossing. That's very good. That's pretty much it for now. Market overall is very bullish, is on the run, and just catch the train. It keeps going. DE was was hot yesterday. Pre-market looking bullish too. So 392 passes. Looking at 397 to come. Possible 400 to hit this week. And PayPal, I think got an upgrade or something. I have to check that. looking not bad pre-market. 64.34 breaks, we're looking at 64.95, and above that 67.5. Overall market is just crazy bullish. Let's look at SPY again. It's hitting 436.45. We need, and 30 minutes right now is golden crossing, even 1 hour is golden crossing. So there is a high chance that market opens and rips higher, and we continue until FOMC. And best of luck. This is just join the service. I post levels there, and if you like, we have chartwiser.com. You can see the next target level there too. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day.